Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I have the Haylou Smart Watch 2 and I'll show you how to pair it with an Android phone. Turn on the watch by pressing and holding the side button. Once you see the Haylou logo, release the button and wait for the watch to turn on. Next, download and install the Haylou Fun app from the Google Play Store. Make sure you have an internet connection, then open the Play Store and search for Haylou Fun. Tap Install to download the app, then tap Open to launch it. Tap Start the experience, then agree and continue. App sign up to create an account or log in if you already have one. Enter your email and password, then tap Sign in. You may get a location permission pop-up. Allow it if you want to use fitness tracking features. The app may ask for background permissions. You can allow or skip this. Tap the Me icon, then add device and select Haylou Smart Watch 2 from the list. The app will find nearby devices. Tap on the watch to select it. Confirm the pairing by tapping the check mark on the watch, then tap Continue in the app. Allow permissions for weather if you want, then allow notifications for incoming calls and app alerts. Enable notifications for specific apps as desired, then tap Complete. App Begin to continue, then allow background updates if needed and tap Complete. Once setup is done, you'll see the device page for your Haylou Smart Watch 2, meaning the devices are paired. That's how you pair this watch with an Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing.